Inspirational stories about green and accessible tourism. Nature near us is called our route and started from a simple thing. It started from a common sense of tourism. In the end, we thought of all the people who can't have easy access at the nature around us. For us, maybe it's natural, but there are certain people, and here we mean especially to disabled people, for which nature is extremely difficult to access. So much more if we refer to Retezat National Park, whose relief makes visiting it a challenge. For the concept of interpretation, I kept count of several things. But what we really wanted was that the infrastructure we are developing there to be a sensorial one. And they were very important to us. What is the perceptions that the route is giving to their visitors? We thought that it is important for them to touch plant structures, leaves, soil, conifer cones, and so on, to be able to touch molds of animal parts, standing in a wheelchair, but also standing to listen to the noises of nature. And for that we have records of bird trails and all kinds of apps developed by us or our partners. The one we use there is one developed by UNESCO International Geopark. It is called Map of Sounds from Karahaigului. At the same time, through the presence of stations of different types of vegetation, fruit, and so on, we have seasonal installations through which, yes, nature can be tasted. For example, if you have some ripened blueberries in a blueberry tree, you as a person walking this route, you can enjoy the taste of nature. Very nice, indeed. Related to molding, what types of moldings are on the route? It's moldings with traces of animals living in the mountain area. They are placed on altitude, and from wildcat to black goat, we have almost all the important animal molds who live in the mountains. Because yes, we are in a mountain area, and that's what you have to make people aware that we need to get in touch with life, mountain plants and animals. All right, very, very nice. What accessible tourism means for people with disabilities from your point of view? What maybe more associations or more companies in Romania should do for disabled people? I don't know if I'm able to give others advice on what I should or how they should do. I think it's common sense for everyone to feel included, to feel that he is part of the community in which he lives, to have access, as I said, to nature, to do something so natural for us. I think that's what we need to think about, is to pay more attention to these special people. And I don't think it's hard to create infrastructure for them. The infrastructure they need are quite simple things that everyone needs to enjoy, from climbing a sidewalk, access to a public institution, a parking space in a place suitable for those who move harder. Or I don't know, here's a root of this that doesn't mean after all. Big deal, not even financially. It's ultimately a matter of will and attention. Good, thanks, Anka. Thanks, me too.